Yeah. I like his plan. UAV is a good way to get points in this challenge.
Oh yeah.
I got some rain too.
Don't forget your raincoat now, kids.
In that guy's post where he's like, "Honorable Warrior Gumby," I almost spit my coffee on my monitor because it sounded so damn funny. It was very well written. That guy's got he's got class.
I thought it was quite classy.
Yep, very much so. Like that, the game needs more of that.
Reactor.
I was so unhappy that I didn't have the video from that
Sensors
too.
online.
Yeah,
Weapons
yeah.
online.
But you know, we were there. We saw it. You know,
All systems
they're a
nominal.
stand-up bunch of guys, and the
Yep.
fact that he killed that spider that came over to attack you was even better.
That was true greatness.
Yep. The game needs more of that, man.
Yeah,
Not
I agree.
the snarky, you know, pissy, cynical attitude that people take towards people doing just a modicum of role play, you know?
Yep. Well, anytime I come across a team full of Draconis combined, I'm challenging them from this point forward. Because that was fun.
Airstrike online. Fuel at 25%.
A good color loadout for this map. Kind of a little bit beige.
Target acquired.
Yeah, there's a couple of people I can talk to doing private matches, I think.
Oh wow,
New
that's a
target
lot of LRMs.
acquired.
We got something in P3, guys.
New target acquired. New target acquired. New target acquired. Fuel at 25%. Fuel at 0%.
Gold Timberwolf over there.
Oh really?
New target acquired. New target acquired. New target acquired.
They're marching up with some pretty big mechs there.
Target destroyed. Fuel at 0%.
Apparently we have enough LRMs to handle that.
Target acquired. New target acquired.
Direwall snarked.
Acquired. Fuel at 25%. Fuel at 0%. At 25%. New target acquired.
I'm about to be out of LRMs.
New target acquired.
I still have 1,000 to go, guys.
New target acquired. LRM at 25%. Fuel at 0%. New target acquired. New target acquired. New target acquired. Warning, incoming missile. Target acquired.
I've taken up some pretty good cover positions there. You spotting them out there, Zed?
New target acquired.
Yep.
Alright.
New target acquired. Fuel at 25%. New target acquired. Airstrike online. New target acquired.
I got one blast of LRMs left.
New target acquired. LRM ammo depleted. Warning, incoming missile. New target acquired. Fuel at 25%.
We got a fresh tire roll.
Fuel at 25%. Fuel at 0%. New target acquired. Warning, incoming missile. Warning, incoming missile.
Fucked up radar.
Center torso critical damage. New target acquired. Right torso critical damage.
Well, if you lose me, it won't be a great loss. I'm about to be dead. But, I don't have anything left anyway, really. Alright, I'm gonna try to get around on him, Yorm. Get you some spotting. catapult there sees me, though. Alright, making a run.
New target acquired. Fuel at 25%. New target acquired.
Crap.
New target acquired. New target acquired. Target acquired. Target acquired. New target
I'm doing a little bit
acquired.
better than yesterday. At least I'm getting some damage in before I die.
Acquired. New target acquired.
Double tag.
Critical. Warning incoming missile. LRM depleted. Torso critical damage.
Now you got it.
New target acquired. New target acquired. Target destroyed.
One more.
New target acquired. Target destroyed.
Nice. Pretty sure that map just illustrated everything wrong with the current patch.
Well, I killed that gold Timberwolf. Did you record me killing that gold Timberwolf, Gumby?
I did.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.